Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have another beautiful Celine for you today. So this is the Celine Maillon Triomphe bag and it's in this incredible python skin. You can see how glossy that is and the patterning on it is just beautiful. We've got that Celine Triomphe feature on the front as well, which I always think is a really pretty feature on Celine bags. And it's in that classic black and gold colour combination as well. I think everybody needs a black and gold crossbody bag, and this is a beautiful piece for a black and gold crossbody bag. I'm going to talk you through all the features. We have a adjustable shoulder and crossbody strap, so you can see we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. There's quite a few options to make it longer. We've got a flat closure, and that has double magnetic fasteners, so you can see just here and there. We've got that Celine Paris embossed into the leather there, beautiful smooth lambskin leather on the interior, and then we've just got one flat pocket on the inside. The condition of it, again, like the bag, is beautiful. We've called the exterior very good. Just that shine of that leather is gorgeous. You can see how it catches the light, especially that python skin. It almost looks sparkly. It's really gorgeous. The reason we've called it very good, there isn't any marks particularly for me to show. There's no standout signs of wear. The reason we called it very good is just because you can see in certain areas where that python skin is just kind of lifting. You can see if I hold it like that to the camera, you can see where some of those areas are just lifting a little bit. They're not all completely flat down, but other than that, there isn't really any other issues for me to point out to you. It's perfect on the exterior. And the hardware we've called excellent. There is no issues at all to the hardware. You can see how beautiful that is, in a really nice condition. And then it's the same underneath as well. No wear at all to that. The interior we've called good. There is a couple of marks on the interior, so you can see there's just faint marking, so you can see just here and just there, on the pocket and just above the pocket. There is very faint marking. Looks kind of like faint cosmetic marks. And then the most standout mark, hopefully we'll be able to see that, just on the edge of this flat pocket, you can see an almost pinkish looking mark. Again, it's quite small. It's the biggest mark on the interior though. Other than that, it's really nice. This leather feels really nice and soft on the inside, but that is why I've called the interior good condition. So overall, it's in a really gorgeous condition. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So we have a Celine envelope, and inside there we've got the certificate for import for the bag, and then we also have a Celine dust bag just here as well to keep it nice and protected, keep that beautiful condition protected in storage. So, if you are interested in this bag, if you are falling in love with it, make sure you go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page though, as you know, that doesn't mean it has sold. But we have beautiful arm candy in all the time, so if you are looking out for one of these, just let us know. You can send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll get you on the request list for one, and then as soon as we have another one, we'll let you know as soon as we can, and then you can get in there nice and quickly. Before you get on the request list though, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". With this strap, you can wear it on your shoulder like that, and you can wear it crossbody as well. We have it on the shortest set at the minute. I like a shorter crossbody length, but again, if you like it a little bit longer, you've got quite a few options to wear it like that as well. You'll be able to find those exact strap measurements on our website, so make sure you have a look on there too. But this is what it looks like on me. It's just a really beautiful bag. Again, nice, simple black and gold colour combination, but just a little bit extra special with that python skin as well. It would make a really gorgeous night out bag, day to evening bag. It's just really cool. So have a look at it on our website. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter as well, especially if you fancy a discount. When you sign up to our newsletter, if you are a new customer, you'll get your welcome discount, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. We would love to see whatever pre-loved designer bags that you have that you are looking to sell. So make sure you read that page because it's got all the details you need to know about selling with us. And we will see you very soon with some more beautiful bags.